Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Roku to Wi-Fi without remote. Here is the step-by-step guide. You don't need to worry if you have lost your Roku remote. You can still connect your Roku to Wi-Fi using your smartphone. Here's how. Method 1, using Roku mobile app as a virtual remote. Download Roku app. Then download the Roku app on your phone. It's available on Google Play Store or in App Store. Now step 2 is connect phone to same Wi-Fi. Your phone needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network your Roku was last connected to. If your Roku was connected to a different Wi-Fi before, see method 2 below. Now step 3 is use Roku app as remote. Open Roku app, tap devices, select your Roku device, tap remote icon. Now use the app as a remote to navigate your Roku. Step 4 is connect Roku to new Wi-Fi. Go to settings, then network, then set up connections, then wireless. After selecting wireless, select your new Wi-Fi network. Then enter the Wi-Fi password and you are good to go. Method 2 is if Roku is not connected to any Wi-Fi. So you will need two smartphones. One phone is for virtual remote and another is for hotspot device. Now here is the steps. Turn on phone's hotspot, name and password exactly same as your old Wi-Fi where local Roku last connected. Roku will auto connect to your hotspot. Then connect your second phone to this hotspot and open Roku app. Make sure that you have connect your hotspot with your Roku TV before, so it will automatically connect that hotspot in that Roku TV. Now control Roku using the virtual remote. Now as the same, go to the Roku settings, then go to network, then connect to a new Wi-Fi. Here is method 3, use a physical remote. If you can't use the mobile app, you can also buy a replacement Roku remote online from Amazon, Walmart or Roku website. Here is a bonus tip for you. If your Roku has an Ethernet port, you can connect directly via cable, then use the Roku app. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.